Hey guys, it's Mary and welcome back to Study Journey. I'm back with another AMC Problem of the Week video, and this is an advanced finding the area problem where we're going to zoom in on a section of that image and then find the area of the whole thing. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. This is AMC 12B Problem 15 from fall of 2021. 3 identical square sheets of paper, each with side length 6, are stacked on top of each other. The middle sheet is rotated clockwise 30 degrees about its center, and the top sheet is rotated clockwise 60 degrees about its center, resulting in the 24-sided polygon shown in the figure below. The area of this polygon can be expressed in the form a minus b times the square root of c, where a, b, and c are positive integers, and c is not divisible by the square of any prime. What is a plus b plus c? And here are your answer choices. So the keywords here are that it is 3 identical square sheets, and they have a side length of 6. The middle sheet is rotated clockwise 30 degrees about its center, and then the top is 60 degrees. This results in a 24-sided polygon, and then it has to be expressed in the form a minus b times the square root of c, and these are all positive integers. And c is not divisible by the square of any prime number, which means that c has to be in this simplest form. Since the middle sheet is rotated 30 degrees, and then the top sheet is rotated 60 degrees about its center, then that means that these are all rotated the same amount. And if you rotate the bottom sheet, then that would be 90 degrees about its center. So that will mean that all of these sides are equal to one another. So this is a regular 24-sided polygon. And we know that the side length of a square is 6. And it tells you that the area of the polygon can be expressed with the equation a minus b times the square root of c. So if we can find the area, then we can add a plus b plus c together, and then we can find the answer. So to find the area of this polygon, if we can find one of these slivers, then we can multiply it by how many there are in total, and then get the area. So let's enlarge that. Okay, I also made it a square. So here is the enlarged image of this, which I just flipped around to make it look easier. So if we can find the area of triangle ABC, then we can multiply it by 24 and get the area of the polygon. So to find this, we know that the angle BAC right here is equal to 360, which, since that would be this angle right here, we divide 360 by 24. So, and that equals 15 degrees. Because this equals 15 degrees and this is the diagonal of this square, then we know that angle EAC is equal to 45 degrees. Since this is 45 degrees and this is 15 degrees, then we get the angle EAB is equal to 30 degrees right here. Also, since this is a square, then we know this is a right angle. And since we know this angle right here is 30 degrees and this is a right angle, then we can use this to represent EB. So EB equals AE times the tangent of 30 degrees. Because the tangent of 30 degrees is EB over AE, then we just multiply that over. So this would equal the square root of 3. Now, we can simplify more because when we go on to the next step, we can see that BC right here would equal EC minus EB. Now, what is EC? Well, if we're looking at this big diagram right here, this is technically in this square, which is the bottom square. Now, if we draw a line to the side, since this is the center of this square, then this would equal a half of the length of the square. And since we know the length of this side is 6, then right here to right here, that will be 3. So this right here is where we got this diagram from. So this side length, EC, would equal 3. So BC would equal 3 minus EB, which is the square root of 3. And this would equal BC. ABC over ACE these two triangles, since the triangle ABC over ACE is equal to the ratio of BC and CE, since these are the side lengths, then we get ABC is equal to BC over CE times the area of ACE. So then looking at ABC, this would equal 3 minus the square root of 3 over 3, because CE is equal to 3, times 9 over 2, which is the area of ACE. So when we simplify, we get, now this is the area of triangle ABC. So like I said before, this is 1 over 24 of this whole polygon. So to find the area, we would take ABC times 24, and then if you simplify that, you get 108 minus 36 times the square root of 3. And it is asking you what is the sum of A plus B plus C. So 108 plus 36 plus 3, and you would get 147. Looking at the answers, we can see that the answer will be E, 147.